Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is going to focus on multi-digit addition with regrouping. Our first example problem is 37,143 plus 47,395. And I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. Just going to make the addition sign a little neater here. Legibility is important. So whenever we're adding numbers, whether it be single digit or multi-digit addition, we always want to start in the ones place. We always want to start with the digits all the way to the right. So we are going to start by adding 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now we do not need to regroup in the ones place because our sum is less than 10. We only regroup when our sum is 10 or more. Now moving to the tens place. 4 plus 9 equals 13. In the tens place, we will need to regroup. The 3 and 13 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 13 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 1 plus 3 equals 4. We have to add the 1 that we carried over to our answer in the hundreds place. So 1 plus 3 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Again, we have to regroup. The 4 and 14 goes in the thousands place. The 1 and 14 gets carried over to the 10,000s place. Three plus 4 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. And we have our final answer, 37,143 plus 47,395 equals 84,538. Moving on to our second example problem. All right, we are going to start in the ones place. 7 plus 4 equals 11. Actually, let me read out the full problem first. So, example number 2, 52,837 plus 28,194. So we're going to start in the ones place. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 3 plus 9 equals 12, plus 1 equals 13. So the 3 and 13 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 13 again, carried over to the hundreds place. 1 plus 8 plus 1 equals 10. 0, carry the 1. 2 plus 8 equals 10, plus 1 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 5 plus 2 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. And we have our final answer, 52,837 plus 28,194 equals 81,031. All right, moving on to example number 3. All right, next example problem. So starting in the ones place, 1 plus 9 equals 10, 0, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 7 equals 10, 0, carry the 1. 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And we have our final answer, 24,321 plus 34,719 equals 59,040. All right, moving on to example number 4. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right. Next example, 71,347 plus 11,291. So we always start in the ones place. 7 plus 1 equals 8. We do not need to regroup there since our sum is less than 10. It's a coincidence, but 4 plus 9 has been ending up in the tens place a lot. 4 plus 9 equals 13. The 3 and 13 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 13 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Plus 1 equals 6. All right, we do not need to regroup again in the hundreds place since our sum is less than 10. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So again, no regrouping needed in the thousands place since our sum is less than 10. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And we have our final answer, 71,347 plus 11,291 equals 82,638. All right, moving on to example number 5. Shout out to everybody tuning in. As always, please hit the like button, helps the algorithm. I am glad you are here. So next example, 91,483 plus 19,394. Starting in the ones place. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Again, we do not need to regroup. We only regroup when our sum is 10 or more. In the tens place now, 8 plus 9 equals 17. So in the tens place, we will need to regroup. The 7 and 17 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 17 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 4 plus 3 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. One plus 9 equals 10. The 0 and 10 goes in the thousands place. The 1 and 10 gets carried over to the 10,000s place. Nine plus 1 equals 10, plus 1 equals 11. And we have our final answer. 91,483 plus 19,394 equals 110,877. All right, that is my live stream for tonight. I may live stream again before the night is through, but that is my live stream for right now. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, Put that in the comments and I will try to do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.